In this video we will see spectrum sensing in cognitive radio. Run the experiment spectrum sensing. Enter the frequency you want to sense. Transfer the files from Wi-Fi to your computer. This is the actual spectrogram. You can see bright spots around 939.7 MHz. These are synchronization signals transmitted from the GSM base stations. This the spectrogram after doing energy detection. This the average energy as the function of time. This is the energy detector output as the function of time. This shows that the spectrum is active during the whole observation time. You can change the threshold in source code. Let us change the threshold from 150 to 100. You can see that less activity is observed with the threshold value of 100.